Welcome to Mishna study Masachet Orlah Perek Bet Mishna Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss items that cannot be nullified. Right? We said usually if you have one that falls into 200, that works. But let's say it's something that's so potent. Right? You have something, a spice. Right? They have spices that fall in. Okay, that's because of the potency over here. We're going to say, oh, that's not going to work. Or let's say you have something that's going to make it hametz. You have sourdough, right? Wheat, sourdough that fell mixed in with other dough. Right? That is going to cause it to rise. It's going to have a reaction, and therefore it's not just enough to have 1 in 200. Over here, we're going to say that even if you have 1 in 200, it's not going to get nullified. So kol hametz v'hamtabel, anything that's mehametz, makes something hametz, it causes it to rise, or it's metabel, it's like a tavlin, it's like a spice. Medamea batruma, right? This is how Rambam is gores, and it makes a lot of sense, right? It causes truma to become meduma. Right, because cause truma become safek truma, right? That's midamea, right? Other people are gores vehamdamea, and it's really a very tough time trying to understand what that really word means. According to Rambam over here, it's not a noun, it's the verb, right? It's midamea batruma. Uba orlah uba kilei kerem oser. And let's say it falls into orlah or kilei kerem, right? It causes truma to become meduma. It causes orlah and kilei kerem to become asur. Right, same idea. 1 in 100 for even less than 1 in 100 truma, or less than 1 in 200 when you kill Orlah and kilei kerem, even though it's going to be asur, right? Because it's causing it to rise, or it's a spice. Bet Shammai omrim af metameh. Comes Bet Shammai and says, you know what? If this sourdough was tameh, it's going to make the whole batch of dough tameh also, right? Even if it's less than a kabetza, it doesn't matter. According to Bet Shammai, because usually you have to have a kabetza for, in order to make something tameh. But because over here, it's causing it to rise, right? It's the agent or it's the spice. Bet Shammai says, also over here, it's going to metameh the whole batch. Bet Hillel omrim no. Right? According to Bet Hillel, and it's the halacha, and this is an important principle when it comes to otuma and tahara, food cannot make other foods tameh unless the original food that's tameh has a kabetza. Only then could it pass on tuma. Right? It's an important principle to remember. Next Mishnah, we're going to have a testimony from Dostai, right? Who was a student of Bet Shammai, who's actually going to support Bet Hillel's opinion.